Menteri Bakmi ia ketenat Public Health Engineering uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar ula pentip ba ke jingbu thong na ke benta ki Longying hapo ka Jal Jivan Mission kala kiu na ka Sun Point Prap Khandai syakan Real Point Lai Polak teli ki Longying. Hadu menta palat Syihajar Sauspa teli ki Snong kila de banyo jing mentoy Shispa na ka Shispa. Hinin kesngi uba Tongkar ula kami biang halor ke jing pentrikam ya ka Jal Jivan Mission ha Meghalaya bat ong baladep ban penlut hadu Syihajar nrius pak klur tingka ha ka ban pentrikam ya kani habakran bat kinong pathai khubor ba Tongkar ula pentip bakat kum ka jing kerpat jong ka sarkar jilla ketenat kala ai jingbit bat on penyar ya ka JJM Shadu Khandai teli kisnong ha ka jilla ki baladep ban tho census bat Naka ni kadaw ka jingdon jong ki Longying kalakiw siya ka Real Point Lai Polak teli. Habakali siya pang ka jing pentrikam ya ka JJM menta ka kenti uba Tongkar uloong ba ka thong man pendep ya ka kam kan long hadu ubanay no para menta usnem.
1,888 members of household, and yes, we are happy to tell you that now it has been increased. More than 6,30,000 members of household has been earmarked, and we are going to sanction to more than 6,30,000 members of household.